Pluralsight's really looking to lead the world in technology workforce solutions, and we partnered with Rightpoint to help us maximize the outcomes that we were looking for as a business. My name is Amy Skyling, and I am the Vice President of Digital Experience at Pluralsight. Being a technology company, it's really important to us that the systems that we're using are best in class. And so we use Adobe Experience Manager to host all of our domains, plug into our digital asset manager. We're using Adobe Analytics and Adobe Target for our robust testing and optimization program. Once we chose Adobe as the technology that we wanted to move forward with, we needed to have an implementation partner that had a lot of experience.
Rightpoint takes an approach of looking at really the full picture. How do we help them from an organizational standpoint as well as a technology standpoint? And then how do we bring those two worlds together so that they can effectively market using digital tools?
I think our biggest challenge with AEM really had to do with that we're using an on-prem version. We really weren't able to take advantage of all of the benefits that AEM offers. Everything from site speed to automatic upgrades, the security pieces that are really built into Experience Manager as a cloud service. We migrated all of the code and content using a blue-green deployment process. And what that allowed us to do was to keep our current web properties up and running while we made the migration to the cloud. That approach was really something that Rightpoint had suggested and partnered with our AEM engineers at Pluralsight to be able to deploy that in a fairly seamless way.
The other side that we looked at was the business side, how their authors were interfacing with the platform, how they were using the platform, from creating content and assets all the way through publishing and using that content on their websites.
We were actually using two digital asset managers. One was for the creative team and the assets they were creating, and then the other was to serve up to our marketing websites. Through the audit that we did with Rightpoint, we identified that would be an area where we could gain some efficiencies. We were really able to allow the creative team to continue to use Workfront, feed those assets over to Experience Manager, and then have AEM run our brand portal.
One impact with Pluralsight was upgrading their site search engine. And so we can look at how many people are coming to the site. Are they finding what they're looking for? How many clicks does it take them to find the content they're looking for? And then does that convert into someone signing up for one of Pluralsight's courses?
As Pluralsight has grown and evolved, we found the need to have our Adobe Analytics scale and have more reach across the organization. Being able to tie that experience end to end with one tool was something that Rightpoint helped us move forward strongly on. When I look at the partnership, whatever is next, they're going to be able to meet us there. And in fact, they may alert us to something before we even know that it's an issue and say, hey, we really think you should be looking at this. That's one of the things that we look for in a partnership, is somebody that's going to be able to match our stride as we continue to grow and develop in technology.
Pluralsight is the leader in their space. And so we really get excited about coming in and helping our clients to really put together all of the different pieces of the Adobe digital marketing platform to just take it to the next level and create a much better experience for everyone.